And we're back live. Completely different perspective right now. Actually, I just changed the side because I'm so sorry, right? It's nothing personal, Stuart, that I'm not joining you on the couch right now, but that's the only way that we can just kind of show what you want to show us.
Yeah, I mean, it's no problem. I'm not offended. I'll never be offended by anything you say, I hope.
Hey, Stuart Dommet, you're a business IT evangelist at Intel, and you have a little bit of it's a kind of game for tablets, right?
Well, it's a game for anything. You can run this on a tablet, you can run it on a desktop.
Okay.
It's just a bit of fun. It's just playing around the whole theme of IT managers and what they do and what they face every day, the challenges in the data center and things like this. Yeah, hey, it's just a bit of fun. You get on and try it out, and should we do it?
Yeah, we should definitely do this. And this is basically why I'm sitting here on the other side, because we really want to make sure that we can get this here on the camera. Because unfortunately, you just can't join me because that's the German version. There's a geolock on it.
Unfortunately, I'm one of those typical Brits that doesn't travel well and doesn't speak other languages, unlike multi-talented Europeans. So, unfortunately, I can't play it. So I think this is going to be down to yourself to play it.
It's going to be me then. So once again, the name of it is the IT Manager Duels.
Yeah, it's itmanagersduels.intel.com is the URL. It picks up your language. So if you're in the UK, you obviously get the UK English version, which is nice for me. But for you, you'll get the German version. So you can do this full blown. But I'm actually logging in as myself. So
okay, fantastic. No worries.
You're going to have to make sure that
which is okay. I mean, you're getting ranked under your name in the high school.
I hope you're better at it than me, because I'm not good. So I don't know.
Okay, so let's see if we can just. Which camera would it be? Okay. So you need to move over here.
Okay. So let's hope you do get to log in and play the game.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see how this works. Okay. I need to log in.
And you can log in with your information, either from LinkedIn or you create a new registration.
Oh, so now I need to sign up?
Yeah.
Let's just do this. Hello, keyboard. Oh, okay. Okay, let's just cancel this again. Let's do it again. You already signed up over here, right?
Well, yeah, I tried to get in, but I can understand.
Let's log in again.
Okay.
Are you using your LinkedIn?
You can link. You can go in with LinkedIn. Have you got a LinkedIn profile?
I do actually. Can I just log in over here?
Yeah, if you'd have selected the LinkedIn one, which I think was the other one. Okay,
oh Jesus, I don't even know which LinkedIn profile is logged. I think I just have to sign up for it. Oh, okay, so that's me. Yours. Okay, fantastic. So it's going to be you then. We are getting there. We can do this.
Yeah.
Oh, you're already registered. So
and log in. You tell me, where do I log in on this? In German.
Okay. Here we go. LinkedIn.
Okay.
It says it has a problem. Those challenges of a live show, I tell you that. So I really have to sign up to play this?
Yeah, we really want to, get you involved in this and get you to participate in the community. So if you do it on LinkedIn, what you're able to do is actually challenge other people, and that's the Jules part of this. Is if you start to play the game, you can challenge other people, get them to clear my information out and put yours in. That's gonna be quicker. So you can challenge other people and you can start competing against others. But there's also prizes to win in this. So if you're playing well, you can compete against others, you can post high scores, and you can win various Intel-based devices. So that's why we're asking you to log in. We create the gaming, win the prizes, and have a bit of fun at the same time, under the context of being an IT manager.
If I only knew my LinkedIn login right now, that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. Come on, we can do this. If I could only find an ad. Jesus. Actually, I think this is already the game. This is already the IT manager game.
So your first thing is you need to be able to log in, and that's the main challenge. And then after that, playing the IT manager is probably a little bit easier.
And of course, this was. Oh, come on. Okay, listen. Let's just get rid of this one. Let me use my device here. So what's the URL?
It's itmanagersduels.intel.com.
I got it.
All right. So everyone's waiting with bated breath now to make sure you've got your own password correct.
Okay, this worked.
Okay. So somebody actually gets to see a game.
Okay. I guess we are. Let's see. Okay. So it basically takes you into a multiplayer game room then, and
So you can choose either a multiplayer or a single player. So if you just want to play single, with the multi you can challenge other people that are in your network.
Let's just start with a single player
I think that's
first.
good. Please tell.
Internet.
There's a lot of pauses in this, isn't there? You realise that?
Yeah, as I said, this is already the game.
There you go.
Okay.
So now you start to see it.
So, oh geez, what do I need to do?
So what you can do is you basically have a number of building blocks, so servers and things like this. And what the game is all about is it's about managing your resources, both the physical side of things, but also the your people. So you need IT manager needs people to be able to do certain tasks.
Okay.
And if they're consumed doing a task at a time, and what you're doing is you're playing against somebody still in duels, so you're playing against the computer in this respect. So you start the game and you get dealt a number of assets across the bottom.
Okay.
And then you get to choose what you do with them. So you're lucky you've got a person here.
That was. I think that was just a screenshot. Now I'm really starting it.
It's me looking over the top. So what you're going to get is you're going to get some resources, and you want some people because you can't do anything as an IT manager.
Now we're talking.
You can't do anything without people. So you've got a person there, and you want to drag them up and put them into your resource pool.
Okay.
Because you want to use them. So when they become highlighted, you can use them. For example, and put them up there. Now, look, you've got something there that you can drag and use. So use the one that's highlighted.
Okay.
Drag it up, and you can pop it in your data center. So you're starting to build out your infrastructure. So you drag your person to do the task.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So now he's working on the computer.
So he's now doing the setup of the computer.
Yeah.
And you can play against the other person, so you can see what round you're in and how much time, because you're playing against the clock. You have to make decisions.
Okay.
So if you now end your turn, the computer will play against you and take its turn.
Ah, okay, I got it.
All right. So you're getting points now. You've got 30 points towards your towards the prizes.
Okay.
And the next time when the computer's finished its turn, it shows you what it's done.
Yeah.
Gives you an update.
Yeah.
You're going to get some new assets coming in here. And look, you've got two
Here.
more people.
Yay!
You're building your IT department here.
So let's get a mobile guy in here.
Yeah. You put that up there, and you're going to get.
No. I have to get.
Get the people up first.
Yeah. One.
Because we all know in IT that people are more important than anything else.
So here's the laptop guy.
And then you have certain number of points that you have to, resources here, and you have to match them then to the resources here. So you move them across, drag them in there, and they do the setup.
I got
So
it.
now the challenge will come sooner or later because you can launch attacks and the computer can launch attacks at you. So, for example, there could be a temperature problem in your data center. You're going to need to put your resources on to fix that.
Yeah.
Or you've got a virus or things like this, and you can launch attacks on the other person.
Okay.
You're going to consume your resources doing that, which means you can't do your IT projects.
Yeah.
Because if you're always battling against the odds, you're always fixing things, you're not actually building anything.
Yeah.
You're not delivering projects. So it just plays upon the theme, how does an IT department, really work and perform? So having all the different things working together, you have to make decisions as an IT manager.
Okay, I got it. Oh.
All right, so you can end your turn. It's ended your turn. You've got
Jeez.
new assets. Because
Fantastic.
we're talking too much.
We got more devices here.
Yeah.
So let's just move this buddy over here. Oh, come on. Oh, he wants another one, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, and you got somebody down there.
Yeah,
You wanna
and
make
I
sure
think
you use your assets.
I think I need to move him
Yeah.
over to this one because I.
No, he's installed. He's fine.
Oh, okay.
I think. Drag that one up from the bottom. Build up your data center. Okay. And you start to see how the things start to work together, and you're building up your data center presence. But I really hope that the computer launches attack on you soon.
No, we
I
shouldn't
want
do
to see
that.
what you got to deal with.
Okay, I'm ready. Bring it on.
So you might think you're winning. You got 205. I think something will happen sooner or later.
Okay.
Okay, ending its turn. Here's your new assets. So you got more people down there.
Let's move him up over here.
So that is
Where's
where
this?
you're fighting an attack. You're putting an attack into the other person's. They
Okay.
haven't built a data center at the moment, so you can't actually attack it.
Oh, okay, interesting.
All right?
So let's just use this. What is it? An S something?
Yep. So there's lots of different things that pop up, and you can just hover over the top of them and find out more information.
Yeah.
So it could be a virus that you want to put into your opposition. It could be, fire and things like this. So you also have the opportunity to really launch attack on your competitor, and they have to deal with the issues that they're dealing with, which is the computer does it automatically. But if you're playing against somebody, it could be a little bit spicy.
Okay, interesting. So in general, I will end up with this huge infrastructure of a data center of all the different devices, right? And need to take care of my human resources, of course, also all the technical resources. And there's a potential for me getting attacked by a competitor, whether it's a human one or whether it's a computer. Yeah. And I have to deal with it then. What am I going to do then? I'm just downloading the latest McAfee.
This comes all embedded with all the latest and greatest, from Intel and any Intel company. But you'll play against different levels and things like this. So it just builds up, and you build up your score. And you say, if you get high scores, you can win prizes.
Can we switch over to my screen again? Okay. So if you guys want to play this, I'm not sure if you can see the URL. So if you just type in IT Manager Duels, right, into Google, it's going to be the first one that is connected to an Intel URL, and then you're going to find it. Oh, here, it's this camera. Right, so it feels like a little bit of The Sims for nerds, right? So you're just getting, you're building up this infrastructure of PCs, and you have notebooks over here, and sooner or later there will be some mainframes and whatnot. Oh, I'm ready right now. here. Here comes the next round. Am I getting? I need more human resources.
Oh, you got plenty. Get on with it. Yeah, do something.
But I thought,
You take your laptop up and
Yeah,
talk
yeah.
about it.
I can
Start to create your mobile.
Yeah. I do the forward strategy here.
As the game progresses and you get more resource, you can do more interesting things and launch attacks and things. But you'll also be faced with more challenges.
Okay, now I'm getting it. Here we go. So I can give them, they have now like, okay. Now we're talking. So.
But there are other features like projects and things like this, so you can actually get more points than just building your infrastructure, because at the end of the day, IT is not about just building infrastructure, it's actually building out projects and delivering solutions for business.
So you can also play against some human competitors?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And it's available for free. Yeah. IT Manager Duels, one word, .intel.com. So there are different versions. This is, of course, a German version. When you're using a German IP, it will just forward you to the German language version of this, but there are also .com and .uk versions for it. So thank you so much, Stuart, for showing this. I might kind of play this while I'm just doing the unboxing, or Kashi can do the unboxing of the devices that we're doing right now. Because I think, the longer you're playing it, the more complex it's getting. And the more interesting it's especially getting when you're playing against another human being, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm definitely going to check this out. Thank you so much for your time. We have a little break right now, and we're going to... That's an interview, I guess, with Zoltan Rendes from QB, roughly about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we're going to be back with our unboxings.